Hello students, welcome to my physics class. This is Shumi Roy from Techno India Group Public School, Shiliguri, and today we are going to do short answer type questions of chapter Light. The question number 31 is name two types of spherical mirrors. Which type of mirror can form a real image? Okay, so we all know that all the mirrors are not straight like plane mirrors. Some of the mirrors are curved mirrors. The common example of curved mirror is a spherical mirror. So there are two types of spherical mirror, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, and out of concave mirror and convex mirror, a concave mirror can form a real image and convex mirror always forms a virtual image. So the correct answer you will write as concave mirror can form a real image. The next question is state the difference between real and virtual images. Which type of image, real or virtual, is formed in the still water of a lake? Okay, so the basic difference between real and virtual image is real image can be obtained on a screen, whereas a virtual image cannot be obtained on a screen. Means you can capture a real image on any screen, but a virtual image you cannot capture that virtual image on a screen. Okay, and the next question is what type of image, real or virtual, is formed in the still water of a lake? So still water will act as a plane mirror, and as we know the characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror, so a virtual image will be formed in the water or still water or lake. Okay. Now the next question is what is the difference in the shape of a concave mirror and a convex mirror? Give one use of concave mirror and one of convex mirror. So a concave mirror is that spherical mirror in which reflection of light takes place at the concave surface or bent in surface, whereas a convex mirror is that spherical mirror in which the reflection of light takes place at the convex surface or bulging out surface. Okay, then we have to give one uses of concave mirror and convex mirror. As you know that concave mirror forms a magnified image. So a dentist use those type of mirrors to examine your teeth. So you can write concave mirror are used by dentists to see the image, large image of teeth of the patient. And a convex mirror can capture a large area. In a small mirror you can watch a large area. So for this reason only, for this quality only, convex mirror are used as a shop security mirrors. So the security guard can watch in the mirror the whole mall or the whole shop. He can observe the whole mall within a small mirror. So it can be used as a shop security mirrors. The next question is state two differences between a convex lens and a concave lens. Give one use of convex lens and one of concave lens. So the main difference, the basic difference between convex lens and concave lens is that convex lens is a converging lens. Convex lens is a converging lens, whereas concave lens is a diverging lens. So convex lens is a converging lens. It means the convex lens converges a beam of parallel rays of light. The beam of parallel rays of light which falls on it, it converges, it meets, it makes all the rays to meet at a point. So it is known as a converging lens. Whereas concave lens is a diverging lens. It diverges, concave lens diverges, spreads out a beam of parallel rays of light. The focus of concave lens is a point from which the parallel rays of light appear to diverge after passing through a concave lens. Okay, so it is known as a diverging lens, and as convex lens converges, so convex lens is known as a converging lens and concave lens is known as a diverging lens. And next is convex lens can form both real and virtual image. The convex lens can form both real and virtual image depending on the distance of object. Convex lens forms mainly two different kinds of images, real and inverted, virtual and erect. Okay, so it can form both real images and virtual images. Whereas concave lens always form a virtual image. Concave lens always forms a virtual image. Whether an object is placed at a large distance or it is close to a concave lens always forms an image which is virtual, erect, and smaller than the object. Okay, the followed question is, give one use of a convex lens and one of concave lens. So a convex lens can be used as a magnifying glass because convex lens can form a magnified image. So it is used as a magnifying glass. Whereas a concave lens is used in making telescope, and it is also used in making spectacles. Okay, so you can write any one uses. So you can write concave lens are used in making spectacles. The next question is, match the items given in column 1 with one or more items of column 2. So let us start. The first is a plane mirror. So for a plane mirror, option E, the image is erect and of same size as object. Okay, so this property is this option is the characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror, that the image is erect and of same size as object. So this will be the answer for plane mirror, option E. The image is erect and of the same size as object. Next is a convex mirror. A convex mirror can form images of objects spread over a large area, and it also forms the image which is erect and smaller in size than the object. So these two characteristics are there for a convex mirror. So for a convex mirror, you will mark option B and option F. Then a convex lens. A convex lens used as a magnifying glass. A convex lens, as we know that convex lens can form a magnified image. Okay, so it can be used as a magnifying glass. So for a convex lens, option A, that is used as a magnifying glass. Then question 4, a concave mirror. A concave mirror can be used by dentists to see enlarged images of teeth. Okay, it can be used by dentists to see enlarged images of teeth. Then last option 5, that is a concave lens. A concave lens, again the option F is right for a concave lens. The image is erect and smaller in size than the object. So this will be the answer. Again I am repeating. For option A plane mirror, the image is erect and of the same size as object. For question 2, that is a convex mirror can form images of objects spread over a large area. The image is erect and smaller in size than the object. For convex lens, can be used as a magnifying glass, that is option A. A concave mirror used by dentists to see enlarged images of teeth. A concave lens, the image is erect and smaller in size than the object. So these will be the answers. Thank you, students. I hope the answers are clear to you all. So let's meet in the next class. Thank you all.